Here's a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, configurable instrument gauges, manual telescoping steering column, Uconnect with Bluetooth, external memory control, active grille shutters, USB port, and MultiAir 2 Tiger Shark engine. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Leith Porsche, the name you can trust since 1969. For a dealer more passionate about Porsche, you have to go to Germany. We're conveniently located at 750 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.